The C-19 pandemic and seemingly ever unending months of lockdown and quarantine have meant people are spending more time at their home than ever before. Combined with the millions of Americans still working from home and children participating in distance learning rather than in-person class, our home spaces may be starting to feel a little bit cramped. Perhaps unsurprisingly, families are taking this opportunity to remodel, reorganize, and reimagine their living spaces. Not all home improvement projects offer homeowners an equal return on their investment. In a new study by Stoneside Blind and Shade surveyed over 1,000 people about what's been lingering in their renovation to-do list, what they've gotten done since the pandemic began, and how much money they spent along the way. Having remodeled and flipped hundreds of homes, I thought I'd put together a list of some of the best return on investment when it comes to remodeling ideas for your home. Whether or not you're planning to sell your home soon or just want to enjoy a few simple upgrades, there are several efficient ways to improve your home's ROI, return on investment. It's important to note, however, not all home improvements are created equal. Hey, what's up, my sexy McMuffins? Tyson Dela Cruz here. Thank you so much for joining me. While transforming a bathroom into a spa-like space may sound appealing, the cost may not pay for itself when it comes time to sell. Replacing gutters and fixing a leaky roof, on the other hand, is more likely to increase the home's value, despite not sounding quite as luxurious. As home prices continue to increase, now is a perfect time to invest in your home's infrastructure. Home improvement project number 1, a minor bathroom remodel. There are essentially two types of rooms that sell houses: kitchens and bathrooms. As it turns out, however, the greatest home improvement ROI coincides with remodeling a bathroom. Instead of initiating a little project in each room, it may be better to conduct a minor bathroom remodel. There's no need to gut the whole room, but giving each bathroom an updated look could go a long way. Try replacing the shower head with a rain shower. It's a feature that most home buyers appreciate. Also, try replacing the vanity, as nobody wants to feel like they're using somebody else's old bathroom. At the same time, try updating the lighting to try to make things feel a lot brighter. Maybe add some color. The average cost for a bathroom remodel is going to cost you anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000 depending on the finishes. The average return is going to be about $10,000. ROI, 102%. Home improvement number 2. Few rehabbing dollars go further than those spent on the outside of the house. If for nothing else, curb appeal helps to sell the home. New landscaping could be just what the home needs to look fresh and appealing. The aesthetics appeal from both the front and the backyard may actually be the first thing that the buyers see. So make a good first impression and upgrade the landscaping. There's no need to go overboard here. The best landscaping designs are the simplest, but the lines need to be trimmed and clean. A good landscaping job should look nice, but also not suggest a great deal of work has been done. The average cost for this home improvement will run you about $3,000 to $4,000. Most of the labor can be done by yourself. The average return is going to be anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000. That's an ROI of 100%. A clean, completed yard will definitely help with the appraised value. Home improvement project number 3. A minor kitchen remodel can boost home improvement ROI without demolishing the entire room. Instead, try minor upgrades that make a huge difference. Start by replacing the existing appliances with better, newer ones. Instead of replacing the cabinets, try refinishing the existing ones. A fresh coat of paint or gloss can make those old cabinets look new again. Combined with new hardware, it can completely transform a kitchen. And while you're at it, replace the faucet and existing underneath plumbing, the disposal and P-trap. The average cost of this is going to run you anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000. Average return is going to be about $14,000. ROI on this project, 98%. Home improvement project number 4. Homes with the luxury of having convertible attics should consider turning that space into an extra bedroom. One of the greatest single ways to increase value of a home is to increase the number of available rooms. Therefore, anyone who can add to their current room count should at least consider the possibility. The average cost is going to run you about $39,000 to $40,000. Average return is going to be about $36,000. ROI on this project, 93%. Project number 5, deck or patio addition. Provided there's room, homeowners should consider the addition of a deck, patio, or porch. The addition of exterior structures like these can add a lot of perceived value to the home. At the very least, a deck could increase the usable living space in a given yard. At most, however, it could be a great selling point and feature for the buyer. Average cost of a project like this is going to run you about $11,000. Average return, $10,000. That's a 90% ROI. Number 6, replacing windows. Outside of a fresh coat of paint, a new interior door, or perhaps a garage door replacement, nothing can make the exterior of the home look better than a new set of windows. The clean line of new windows can very easily make the home look better from both inside and out. Additionally, new windows should be a lot more energy efficient. Proper windows could save the new homeowner a ton of money on their energy bill, which is always appreciated. The average cost of a project like this is going to run you anywhere from $9,000 to $10,000. Average return, $8,000 to $9,000. That's an ROI of 89%. If your home is unappealing and looks like on the outside, no one wants to see the inside. Plain and simple. If someone will spend a large amount of money purchasing a property, the first thing that influences their decision is the exterior. I know, you're not supposed to judge a book by its cover. This should be one of the most important aspects in any home improvement project. Curb appeal is meant to create interest in the home, and in turn, drive those who are interested inside the home. Any home improvement project that improves curb appeal will result in a higher interest in your property. Here are some other improvements to make and perhaps consider. Some valuable home improvement projects that are not on the top of the list may actually bring a great ROI. If you're looking to see the greatest return on your investment, consider these changes. Hardwood or laminate flooring. Most buyers favor hardwood, laminate flooring rather than carpet. If your carpet is in good condition, you can get away with skipping this home improvement project. However, if your carpets are outdated and you have pets and piss all over it, it will be worth the cost to spend the extra cash on installing new flooring. Adding a smart thermostat. Modern day buyers are attracted to smart appliances and energy efficient homes. Smart thermostats allow homeowners to control their home's electricity usage and even help lower their monthly electrical bill. Spending a few $100s on an upgraded smart thermostat can appeal to buyers and can bring the greatest return on investment. If you plan to live in your home for 5 years or more, you should feel free to make upgrades that fit your preference and lifestyle. However, if you want to turn a profit when you sell your home, try increasing your home improvement ROI. The top home improvements for increasing your ROI can simultaneously improve the demand and value of your home. Therefore, homeowners can't simply make any upgrades they want. They need to make the right upgrades. The highest ROI home improvements will prove more efficient and worthwhile than all the others. Guys, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button down below. As always, be kind, rewind, peace.